In this video, I will show you how to free up disk space in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Settings window. In this window, click on the System item on the left side menu. Next, click on the Storage section. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Here you can see how much memory is used and how much is free on the disk. Next, click on the Cleanup Recommendations section. After that, you can see the temporary files, large or unused files, files synced to the cloud, and unused apps tabs. These tabs show the files that are recommended for deletion. You can open the tabs, view, mark, and delete the files you don't need. I'm going to remove unnecessary files from the Temporary Files tab. I will mark Recycle Bin and Thumbnails for deletion. Then I'll click on Cleanup and continue in the confirmation window that appears. The files are deleted. Thank you for watching.